Hi, my name is Chuck Sacco, co-founder and CEO of PhindMe Mobile. It's interesting to note that web page views on cell phones are increasing over 300% per year, yet only 0.2% of websites are mobile optimized. So PhindMe Mobile is here to help bridge that gap. We've got a number of solutions that we focus on, but in this case we're going to use one of our use cases which revolves around mobile search. And the premise that as cell phones get smarter, consumers are increasingly using the internet tools on them such as search. Therefore, businesses are paying for search on mobile and are actually not getting a great return on investment. And we'll show a couple of examples. The first example being a mobile search query. We're going to do a search using the iPhone on the term fitness club. We're going to use the Google tool that's right on the deck of the iPhone. And there we see the Google search query for fitness club and the organic listing that returns for LA Fitness Sports Clubs. And clicking through to the LA Fitness Sports Club link, we actually end up on a landing page that uses the existing PC website for LA Fitness. And there's a couple of things that are pretty obvious that just aren't working. One is it's actually very difficult to read, even zooming in, zooming out as you can on the iPhone. Just not a great experience. The layout navigation tools aren't particularly usable. And flash content's not reliable or readable on mobile. So just not a great lead conversion experience for the business. If we take the same query on Fitness Club, again looking at Google, in this case looking at the paid listing for Future Fitness Center, that sponsored link we see at the top, clicking through to the link, which is actually going to cause the business to incur a pay-per-click fee, we end up on a landing page for Future Fitness that again is just broken. It's a desktop web interface. The flash content on the site is just not reliable. Layout navigation isn't usable. And the business has paid money for that result, and they're not getting much for it. PhindMe Mobile's friendly landing pages actually improve the entire experience for the business. So our mobile web applications that work across all mobile devices, not just the iPhone, help with organic and paid search, are very easy to read. We use the site navigation tools that are inherent in the devices. In this case, the iPhone creates a very elegant experience for the user, but it works well on all mobile devices. And then we use on-device features that are particular to each device to improve lead conversion for the business. In this case, we're looking at integrated SMS, so the consumer can get more information from the business, which will include links that automatically click through to sites like this, providing another channel to the sites. Lead generation tools, in this case here, a form that opens up that allows the consumer to input information to help the business with lead conversion. Click to call is another lead conversion tool, so the consumer clicks right on the number to call the business. And then integrated mapping and direction tools, so that again a consumer can click on the business link and get right to the mapping and directions for that particular site. Now we've been showing iPhone examples here. Obviously they've got some great features, integrated search, great internet access, but our applications also work across all mobile devices. So if you look at information-centric devices such as Blackberries and Windows mobile devices, you get a great experience also. We scale the pictures, the text sizing, and again use the on-device capabilities to enhance the consumer experience. And even all the way down to feature or flip phones, again we create a very useful experience for the consumer no matter how they get to that business's site. Again, either search via an advertising link, via search result, doesn't matter. We end up with a great experience for every mobile platform. We sell this particular solution, this use case, through search, through the search engines. They need to enhance consumer experiences. Search marketers who are working with businesses to help them enhance their organic and paid search. And then with our direct-to-business brand for businesses that want to do it themselves at everywhereigo.com. Thank you for your time today. You can see an example on your phone. If you text "Take Special" to 77950, you actually get an example of one of our mobile web applications. And we hope that you found this presentation particularly interesting and useful. Thank you.